over, and life is like a song. Oh yeah, yeah, at last the skies above are blue. My heart was wrapped up in clover. The night I looked at you, I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I've never known. Oh yeah, you smile, you smile. Oh, and then the spell was cast, and here we are in heaven. For you are mine at last.
Heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. Tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe I have been here before. I know this room, I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Love is not a victory march, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time you let me know what's real and going on below, but now you never show it to me, do you? Remember when I moved in you, the holy dark was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, and all I ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. And it's not a cry you can hear at night, it's not somebody who's seen the light, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Una donna di nome Maria è arrivata stanotte dal sud, è arrivata col treno del sole, ma ha portato qualcosa di più, ha portato 2 labbra a corallo e i suoi occhi son grandi così, mai nessuno che l'abbia baciata, a nessuno ha mai detto di sì. Ai Maria, ai Maria, ai Maria. Ha posato la cesta d'arance e mi ha dato la mano perché la portassi lontano per sempre, la tenessi per sempre con me. Io le ho preso una mano ridendo e non gliel'ho lasciata mai più, poi siam corsi veloci nel vento per non farci trovare qua giù. Ai Maria, ai Maria, Maria, ai Maria. Una donna di nome Maria è arrivata stanotte dal sud, è arrivata col treno del sole, ma ha portato qualcosa di più. Ai Maria, ai